So here we've got one of the workbooks open here for January 14th through the 20th. As you can see, I haven't done anything this week. However, you can see, so we've got our 12 sections here for orders. If you've got more orders than that, here's how you're going to go ahead and add rows. So let's go to this bottom row here. We're going to right click. We're going to do insert one above. Now, it's going to put another row here, and sort of behind the scenes what that's doing is these totals here at the bottom are still going to be adding up that new row we just added. But as I said, anything in gray is typically a formula, but this new row we added doesn't have that formula. So what we're going to need to do is copy these two, select those two cells, and I'm doing Control C to copy. I'm going down here and Control V to paste using these keyboard shortcuts. And now you'll see that there are indeed those formulas there in those two cells. If you're looking up here, you can see that. Now what that also means is we'll have to do is scroll over here to the right, because here's some more grayed out cells that we have that we've just created that row. So we're going to go ahead and select these three cells from the row above it that do have the formulas. Again, I'm using Control C to copy that on the keyboard. You can also right click and copy. And then we'll go down here and then we'll Control V. And now you can see, if we look up here in this formula bar, all those formulas have populated and you're good to go.